Apply today with the support of Global University Systems, GUS, and Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Limited. Why choose Loan-Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute? RPI, shaping innovators, transforming the future. Top reasons to apply. National recognition. Ranked number 70 among national universities in US News and World Report's 2025 Best Colleges. Cutting-edge research and innovation. Home to 32 research centers and 746 laboratories. Leading breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, data science, environmental engineering. At a glance, what RPI offers you? 145 plus degree programs at the bachelor's, master's, and doctoral levels. 40 plus undergraduate majors across engineering, science, business, and the arts engineering programs. M. Engela, MS. Aeronautical engineering, biomedical engineering and data science, chemical, civil, electrical and environmental engineering, mechanical, nuclear, materials and transportation engineering, computer and systems engineering, semiconductor technology, systems engineering and technology management, industrial and management engineering, Lally School of Management. Graduate programs. Quantitative Finance and Risk Analytics in MS, Business Analytics, NIMS, Supply Chain Management, NAMS, Business Administration, MBA. School of Science. Graduate programs. Computer Science, Information Technology, Physics, Chemistry, Astronomy, Geology and Mathematics, including Applied Math. Graduate admissions. Requirements. To apply, prepare the following. Application plus $75 fee. Personal statement. Resume or CV. 2. Letters of recommendation. Portfolio, if required. Transcripts and degrees. English proficiency test. TOEFL, IELTS, ETH. Ready to start your journey? With the strong backing of Global University Systems, GUS, and Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Limited, you're not alone. We guide you from admission to visa approval. Stress-free. Apply now. Build your global career at RPI via RPI. Global education. At Charge Parrot Canada. GUS. Innovation starts here. Future engineers. #business leaders. Our offices. Parrot Canada. Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. Rwanda. Town Center Building. Near Simba Supermarket. Second floor. Door. F2B022C. Nyarugenge, Kigali, Rwanda. Email. infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Kenya. Embu, Dallas, CFF Street. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.co.k. Ghana. Ahinsah Estate, Kumasi. Email admission@Visa Consultant Canada. ZAMBIA Plot Number 40, St. Francis Road, Bonaventure, Lusaka. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Tanzania Registered Office, Dar es Salaam Region, Ubungo District, Ward Mbezi, Postal Code 16103, Mbezi Luis, Mbezi High School. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.com. South Korea. Suwon, Paldal-gu, Paldalmun-ro. 115, Beongil 38, first floor. Phone +82 10 9862 0978. General contact info phone +1 263 588 5752. WhatsApp +1 438 290 6688. Emails infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Website www.visaconsultantcanada. Kiowa, https://chat.whatsapp.com. DI5ULA5FBTZ8S via WS94RB Parrot. Representative. Contacts worldwide. Hungary, +3670 352 7547 Kenya. Nairobi, +254 711 807646 Uganda. Kampala, +256 784 547 China. +86 131 3257 7440 Turkey. +90 533 869 1492. USA, +1 57 329 9231 Rwanda. +250 780 273 112 Ghana. +33 59 340 478 Canada. +1 431 302 Zambia. +260 972 968 285 Mozambique. +258 E6 352 3312 South Korea. +10 9862 0978